Hello everyone, myself Harshit Pandey. We are Group G4 and our topic is adsorption. This is our team and this is me, Harshit Pandey. What we will mainly talk about. First, we will talk about the what is adsorption, then its types, and then adsorbent and adsorbate, and then the main part, the real life application. First one, what is adsorption? Adsorption is a surface phenomena in which molecules of a gas or a liquid get attached to a surface of a solid. It is not like absorption, in which the molecules enters the bulk of the material. In adsorption, the surface is like this and molecules get attached to the surface only. They do not enter the material. This phenomena is used in various ways that we will see in the application part. Second, what are the types of adsorption? Adsorption is mainly of two types, physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. In physical adsorption, van der Waals forces act. In chemical absorption, chemical bonds do form, which may be covalent or ionic. As in physical adsorption, van der Waals forces form, there is a possibility of forming multiple layers because there is not much difference between first layer and the second layer interaction with the surface. But in chemical adsorption, there is only one layer because there is much difference between first layer interaction with the surface and the second layer. The bond between first layer and the surface is much stronger than the bond between second layer and the surface. That's why only monolayer is formed. And physisorption is favored at low temperature and chemisorption at high temperature. Talking about the adsorbent. Adsorbent is the surface where adsorption happens and adsorbate is the molecule which get adsorbed on the surface. The adsorbent may be selected on these bases, polarity, pore size and selectivity of the adsorbate. These are some common adsorbent. First one is activated carbon or you say charcoal that you will see in many applications. Second one is zeolite, third one is silica gel and fourth one is activated alumina, that is Al2O3. Now moving to the next part, real life application. First one is water treatment. In water treatment, mainly two steps happen, water softening and water purification. In water purification, we do use activated carbons. These activated carbons remove dissolved salts, chlorine and the odor from the water. Like you can see here, lead is dissolved in the water. Then by adsorption, lead is removed and the clean drinking water is obtained. Now the next application, air purification. In air purification, like in kitchen hoods and air conditioners, air particles with odor come and the activated charcoal is acted and then the clean air is obtained. Okay, and in automobiles, modern cars use activated carbons to absorb the gasoline so that the air in the environment can be less polluted. We also do use adsorption process in respiratory masks so that the toxic gases like ozone, sulfur compounds like SO2 and all can be adsorbed and we can breathe a good quality air. Now the next application, packaging and preservation. You may have seen those do not eat silica gel packets. These are there to remove the moisture from the packaging so that they can be prevented from the spoilage. Next we use in odor adsorber, activated carbon pads are used so that we can remove the unpleasant smell from the material and prevent the fruit ripening. Also we do use in zeolites in double gates windows, like windows like this, we put zeolites in between them to absorb the moisture between them. Now talking about the next application, healthcare application, which is one of the most important application. To make oxygen more portable, we use oxygen concentrator so that oxygen is adsorbed and the patient requiring oxygen therapy at home can receive the oxygen therapy. Next one is poison control, in which if a person has ingested some toxic substance, then we can give him activated charcoal tablets so that it adsorbs the toxic substance from the digestive tract and the person can be saved. Now the next is environmental application. In wastewater treatment, we use carbon and zeolites to remove the waste from the water. Waste like dyes, phenols and other organic pollutants are removed. Next one is spill cleanup. We all know when oil is spilled on the surface, it is very hard to remove it. So we use a specific absorbent like activated carbon so that we can remove the oil spills. Now to summarize, adsorption is a fundamental key interaction between surface of solid and fluid molecules. These processes can be seen in our daily life from the water we drink to the air we breathe, so effectively contributing to a better living standard. Thank you.